How to soak for beautiful skin using kitchen items. Everyone wants to have smooth baby soft skin. There are a variety of methods you can use to help your skin stay soft and beautiful. Number 1. Figure out the proper way to soak. When soaking in a bath to moisturize your skin, remember to limit your exposure to water to 20 minutes. Any longer could dry out your skin. Keep water lukewarm. Hot water can cause skin to peel and flake. Number 2. Try milk and honey. Milk contains lactate, which has exfoliating properties, and honey has softening, moisturizing properties. Soaking in a milk and honey bath can help improve the quality of your skin. Use full-fat milk or powdered milk and pure honey. Full-fat milk can help moisturize the skin as well as helping to exfoliate. Pour 1 to 2 cups of milk and half a cup of honey under warm, running water and wait for the tub to fill. Mix the milk and honey into the water until the mixture is uniform throughout. Get in the bath and soak for as long as you feel comfortable. Once you get out, gently pat your skin dry. Number 3. Use champagne or red wine. While extensive research is lacking, many celebrities and beauty enthusiasts claim they notice their skin becoming softer, lighter, and younger looking when they soak in red wine or champagne. This may be due to antioxidants in red wine and tartaric acid in champagne, both of which can potentially lighten skin. Pour a glass of wine or champagne in a running bath. Mix the alcohol into the water and climb into the tub. Soak for about 20 minutes. Many feel soaking in alcohol is a waste of money, but the good news is the effects will be the same if you use champagne that's gone flat or wine that's turned bad. If you have any old alcohol sitting around, you could use it for a bath rather than letting it go to waste. Number 4. Use herbs. A variety of herbs and spices, some of which you probably have in your kitchen right now, can be used in a bath to revitalize skin. If you have any spices you don't frequently use, try throwing them into a bath. Sage, rosemary, peppermint, chamomile, and green tea have a positive effect on the skin for some. The scents of these herbs can also be calming if you're looking for a bath as a means to wind down. You can either sprinkle herbs into your tea or brew a herbal tea ahead of time. Take 1 to 2 cups of your tea and add it to your bathwater. Any excess herbs should be removed from the tea kettle and placed in a washcloth. Tie the top of the washcloth together and leave it in the bath while you soak. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.